Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of x to the power of 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2. So to solve this, I'm going to first rewrite 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 as 2 to the power of 4, because 2 squared is 4, and 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So this is all equal to 16. Now from here, I'm going to write 16 as the 16th root of 16 to the power of 16. And this is the same thing as the 16th root of 16 to the power of the 16th root of 16, because 16 is the same thing as the 16th root to the power of 16 to the power of 16. Now, notice how this is in the form x to the power of x to the power of 16 is equal to the 16th power of 16 to the power of the 16th power of 16 to the power of 16, meaning x is equal to the 16th root of 16. Now, I can simplify this a little bit. The 16th root of 16 is the same thing as 16 to the power of 1 over 16. And 16 is also the same thing as 2 to the power of 4. So I get 2 to the power of 4 over 16, which is equal to 2 to the power of 1 over 4, which is equal to the 4th root of 2. So this is my answer. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 16 to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 2. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by taking the power of 1 over 2x on both sides. So I get 16 to the power of x to the power of 1 over 2x is equal to x to the power of 2 to the power of 1 over 2x. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So we can use this property for both of these terms. 16 to the power of x to the power of 1 over 2x is equal to 16 to the power of x times 1 over 2x, and x to the power of 2 to the power of 1 over 2x is equal to x to the power of 2 times 1 over 2x. Now, the x and x cancel out on my left-hand side because they multiply out, so I'm left with 16 to the power of 1/2 on my left-hand side. And for my right-hand side, the 2's cancel out, so I'm left with x to the power of 1 over x. Now, my goal is to turn the left side to be in the form some number to the power of 1 over that number, so we can make that number our solution. Well, right now, this means that 16 and 2 have to turn into the same number. So we need to rearrange this so that 16 and 2 are the same number. So to do that, (16) is the same thing as 4 squared. So I'm going to rewrite it as 4 squared. So I have 4 squared to the power of 1/2 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. And now remember, these two multiply. 2 times 1/2 is just 1. So I'm left with 4 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. Now 4 is the same thing as -2 squared. And 2, our exponent here, I can rewrite as 1 over -1/2. And I have this times -1. So I have 1 over -1/2 times -1. And remember, if I have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. So this -1, I'm going to move to be an exponent of -2. So I get -2 to the power of -1 to the power of 1 over -1/2 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. And -2 to the power of -1 is 1 over -2. So my solution here is -1/2.